video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 1. A person weighing 400 N at the surface of Earth at particular location. When the same object is taken to a point located at higher altitude, then the weight of the same person will be MCQs 2021. A. More than 400 N. B. Less than 500 N. C. Equal to 500 N. D. 0. 2. When a force retards the motion of a body, the work done is ETEA 2017 Eng. A. 0. B. Negative. C. Power. D. Plus V or V depending upon magnitude of force. 3. A horizontal force, pressure and volume has the same SI base unit as ETEA 2017 Eng. A. Force. B. Power. C. Energy. D. Heat capacity. 4. An engine pumps out 40 kilograms of water in second. The water comes out of vertically upward with a velocity of 3 meters per second. The power of engine in kilowatt is ETEA 2018 Med. A. 1.2 kilowatts. B. 12 kilowatts. C. 1.2 kilowatts. D. 1200 kW. 5. Two boys waiting in the ratio 4:5 goes upstairs taking time in the ratio 5:4. The ratio of their power is ETEA 2018 Med. A. 1. B. 1.625. C. 25/16. D. 4/5. 6. A man has a mass of 80 kg. He ties himself to one end of a rope which passes over a single fixed pulley. He pulls on the other end of the rope to lift himself up at an average speed of 0.5 meters per second. What is the average useful power at which he is working? ETEA 2018 Med. A. 40 W. B. 0.39 kilowatts. C. 4.0 kilowatts. D. 39 kilowatts. 7. A parachutist is falling constant terminal velocity. ETEA 2017 Med. A. Gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. B. Gravitational potential energy is converted into thermal energy of the air. C. Gravitational potential energy is converted into thermal energy of the parachutist. 8. If the momentum of a body decreases by 20%, the percentage decrease in KE will be ETEA 2018 Eng. A. 44%. B. 36%. C. 28%. D. 20%. 9. The gravitational field strength on the surface of Earth is G. The gravitational field strength on the surface of a planet of thrice the radius and the same density is ETEA 2018 Eng. A. 4 grams. B. 6 grams. C. 3 grams. D. G. 2. 10. Two bodies with kinetic energies in the ratio of 4:1 air moving with equal linear momentum. The ratio of their masses is ETEA 2018 Eng. A. 1:4. B. 1:1. C. 4:1. D. 1:2. 11. A 40 kilogram block is released from rest 80 meters above the ground. By the time it has fallen 60 meters, its KE is approximately ETEA 2015 Med. A. 4800 J. B. 3500 J. C. 1200 J. D. 100 J. 12. A light and a heavy body have equal kinetic energy. Who will have greater momentum? ETEA 2009, ETEA 2015. A. The light body. B. The heavy body. C. Both have equal momentum. D. Not possible to say. 13. Resistive forces are ETEA 2010. A. Conservative. B. Non-conservative. C. Both. D. None. 14. Which of the following is conservative field? ETEA 2007. A. Gravitational field. B. Electric field. C. Magnetic field. D. All. 15. A force of 6 N acts horizontally on a stationary mass for 4.2 seconds. The KE in joule is ETEA 2012. A. 12. B. 144. C. 48. D. 85. 16. The centripetal force acting on a body rotating in a circle of radius r is F. If the body moves in a circle of radius half of the initial value keeping other quantities constant, the change in the force is ETEA 2012. A. 300%. B. 100%. C. 200%. D. 400%. 17. If the mass of the body is made 3 times and the velocity becomes double, then the kinetic energy will increase. ETEA 2014. A. 2 times. B. 3 times. C. 6 times. D. 12 times. 18. If the velocity of a body becomes half, the kinetic energy of the body will become ETEA 2011. A. 1/4. B. Double. C. 4 times. D. Half. 19. A car of mass 1000 kg first travels forwards at 25 meters per second and then backwards at 5 meters per second. What is the change in kinetic energy of the car? ETEA 2012. A. 200 kilojoules. B. 300 kilojoules. C. 325 kilojoules. D. 250 kilojoules. 20. Two bodies with masses m and m have equal kinetic energies. If m and m get their respective momentum, then the ratio between m and m is ETEA 2009. A. M. B. Square root m per meter. C. M. D. Square root m per meter. 21. The speed with which a car is traveling is tripled. By what factor does its kinetic energy increase? ETEA. A. 6 times. B. 3 times. C. 9 times. D. 12 times. 22. If the momentum of a body decreases by 20%, the percentage decrease in Ke will be ETEA 2013. A. 83%. B. 44%. C. 36%. D. 28%. 23. The gravitational potential energy per unit mass is called ETEA. A. Gravitational potential. B. Absolute potential energy. C. Potential energy. D. Potential field. 24. The escape velocity from the Earth depends upon ETEA 2011. A. Rotation of Earth. B. Mass of body. C. Radius of Earth. D. Mass of Earth. 25. The escape velocity of a ball of mass 0.25 kilograms will be ETEA 2010. A. 44 kilometers sec. B. 11 kilometers sec. C. 2.57 meters sec. D. 0.25 meters sec. 26. A body is having weight 20 n. When the elevator goes up with acceleration a equals 0.1 meters per square second, then the value of tension, T, is MDCAT 2015. A. 19.8 n. B. 20.2 n. C. 18.8 n. D. 21 n. 27. A bar of length, L, pivoted at O is acted by a force, F, at an angle theta with vertical line as shown below. What is the torque? Check 2, B, 3, C, 4, A, 5, B, 6, D, 7, B, 8, A, 9, B, 10, C, 11, A, 12, B, 13, B, 14, A, 15, B, 16, D, 17, D, 18, A, 19, C, 20, D, 21, C, 22, C, 23, A, 24, D, 25, B, 26, B, 27. Torque equals F times L times sin theta, no options shown.